What? Make us say more blessed love my people across the world anywhere there. Big up yourself. Yo. Big up my Jamaicans on the Caribbean island right now. Big up Jamaica. Big up to the fullest, you know what I mean? But this video is about is Jamaican governments and police still prosecuting rastaman for marijuana, for ganja, the weed, the herb? Are they still? Yes, they are. Right? You know them coming and say, yo, marijuana is now decriminalized. You can, if you get, you can have up to 2 ounces or whatever. But yet you're still persecuting the Rastaman them for having it, and Rastaman having it for sacramental reasons. You see what I'm saying? Right now there's a Rastaman. I need to go and check out the verdict of what the verdict is, because he's in court. They charging him for possession and for dealing or distribute, whatever they want to call it. You see? But I'm going to ask Jamaican now. I'm going to ask Jamaican government, right? Do you know anything about Thailand? Any of you know anything about Thailand? I can tell you a little bit. Yeah? You see, Thailand, there was a time in Thailand where if you get old with even a seed, or even smell it, you go in prison. Right? Now, Thailand country is rising. Why is Thailand rising? Because Thailand has legalized marijuana. They free it up to the people, legalize it. So now the country is growing. Their country is growing so fast right now. Like it was the main secret that was holding back a country. Say free up marijuana, you see what happened. The country start growing. You get what I'm saying? Now, the governments, them of Jamaica, right? Why when you quick for plant marijuana for your next country? Quick for send marijuana go to Canada and them thing there, right? And now no even want Canada send who do we? No, listen to me. Listen to me here. Everyone in the world who involved in marijuana are empire that know that Jamaica grow the best. Yeah? They know that Jamaica have the best strain there is. Right? Without these chemicals and all of them things there. Anyway, forget about all of that, right? Jamaica government, you need to think again, right? Go on the drawing board. I want you to go to Thailand. I want you to go to Barcelona. I want you to go to Spain. I want you to go to Amsterdam. I want you to go to these countries and see how these countries are developing faster than ever because of the marijuana industry. I want you to check. See, that what I want to ask again, in America, you get me? In America as well, enough state legalize marijuana, enough state. You see? So what I'm going to ask our leaders them in Jamaica, my black leaders them, seeing how does it look, right? You persecute your black man for planting marijuana, you persecute a black man for smoking marijuana, you persecute your black man for having marijuana around them. But don't you see how the white man is getting richer and richer? Till even then get them country have involved now, so the country I get richer too. Don't you understand? Wise up Jamaica. In Amsterdam, it's a multi-billion multi-billion in euro is the weed business alone. You get me? Weed business gone in the billions in Amsterdam. Now Thailand come try take you to over now where Thailand have weed selling on the roadside and all of that, where you can get your thing now and all of that, the best strain and all of that. They're making money, people not suffer no more. You know, see, it's a year, so Thailand people them stop suffer. We don't need to go and check. You see it? But remember this, you know, Jamaica. It's not every Jamaican smoke marijuana. And enough of who use it don't even smoke it. They use it in their food, or they use it as a medicine, their tea, and all of that. You see it? For medical reasons. See? Jamaica. Listen to me, you know. Remember, you know, you have Panadol on shelf, you know. What we call paracetamol and them thing there, you know. I want to check the ingredients for make most of these pills, you know. I want enough of them to know say opium is the main ingredient for enough of them medication one we have in a pharmacy, you know. You see? And opium is a dangerous drugs, you know. You see it? Anyway, forget about all of that. Jamaica, smart up. Please, we can open up the market in Jamaica. Make the man them farm the herb them so the herb them can get some good herb and some good strains. You see it? Jamaica, you see we have cafe, we have dispensary in Jamaica and all of that. Who own the dispensary them is not a Rastaman. The Rastaman who persecute and been dragging and persecuting and battering and charging and prison them for marijuana. When and them fight the fight for marijuana, you know, them feel the blood and tears in marijuana, and still I go against them. And then on turn around now. I use Bob Marley for save Jamaica. We don't try to use Rasta now for save Jamaica. We don't persecute Rasta, you know. But at the same time, we don't take up Rasta and use Rasta now, you know. So what we do now? We don't say, we don't take Bob Marley, you know, and try to use, oh, Bob Marley, Jamaica, yes, Jamaica, and all these things. Everybody are looking for the island now because of Bob Marley. Not because of none of the politicians, them. You see what I'm saying? Not because of what we are produced on the island. You see? It's not none of those things. So think about it. A Bob Marley, a music. The music when him lay and put on this earth and him still there. Because see, all our music is still here. So now, they don't take it now and go. Remember, you know, Jamaica. Let me say this clearly, you know, Jamaica. From the bottom of my heart as a Jamaican, you know, 44-year-old, you know, celebrate my birthday 7th of February 2 days ago. You know, listen to me, people. Yeah? Jamaica government never give a toss about Bob Marley. Right? Jamaica government today still don't give a toss about Bob Marley. It's Bob Marley family and children and people them that keep Bob Marley name flowing in Jamaica. Right? They don't leave out Jamaica. Because if Bob Marley people them decide say them done with Jamaica, you know. Remember me telling you people, Jamaica can't say nothing about Bob because they have no Jamaica. Bob Marley pick them now represent it. If none of them now represent Baba Jamaica, remember me told you that. You see it? Wipe away from the island. That's what the government they say, but the government them are users. That's the same thing they were use Bob back in the day. And when them and the CIA realize that them can't get to Bob, they can't use Bob. What they do? Then get rid of him. But them only make him live forever now. That's the greatest thing. They make him live forever. You see it? But Jamaica, smart up Jamaica, with marijuana industry can open up the market, Jamaica, and open up, we don't take away sugar cane land them, we don't take away the banana land them, we don't take away the mango tree land them, all of the big cultivation them what we used to have across Jamaica, we don't take them away. Have be a house there so no one, that there so no one, all these things now. You see, no farming, major farming now go on again. The only thing Jamaica have right now are the backside company there, you know. That dirt business there, you know. It alone them have run there right now, you know. Jamaica now nothing, you know. Not come out from down there, you know. Nothing, you know. Only thing we have from down there be a gunman, you know. They are foreign, you know. That's so bad, but yeah. But seriously, Zane, Jamaica, go to Thailand, please. Jamaica government, them you go to Israel, where they are going and they play going meet warmongers and then something. They will go meet all kind of warmonger. I'm going to tell you, no, please go to Thailand and see how Thailand is developing because of the marijuana industry. They have legalized their marijuana there, and that's what's happening over there. You get what I'm saying? Come on, Jamaicans, man. Come on, Jamaica. Jamaica government. You're living, you seem like you're working for another government. You're not working for the people. You're not working for the people of Jamaica. Is it? You're not working for the people of Jamaica. And if people want to continue to be fool and make one man keep every 4 years, so another man take over or whatever and come tell Jamaica and say marijuana is against the law and this and that and that and that. Listen to me, people. This is what we don't understand. Why every foreigners come on the island and try to learn Jamaican language, the first thing they want to learn is bumbleclad. Why is it swearing they want to learn? But yet when we Jamaican open the water and say bumbleclad for what reason, when they look at we like, oh, they're so ignorant. Oh. But yet people want to learn the words, the way you call bad word, what you call bad word, you know. You see? So I say anyway, Jamaicans, big up on yourself because we are proud people no matter what. No matter which government in power, no matter what, we're still proud people. We still try to move on. We still try to accomplish what we want to accomplish in the world. It doesn't matter who win the next election or who win the next seat. We still have to continue with journey. Farmers still have to farm. Who have to go to work still have to go to work. It doesn't matter what party you support. You get what I'm saying? So all I'm saying, Jamaica people, start to vote for them to legalize marijuana. Christian people, let me tell you something, Christian. Jamaica can develop more, and this marijuana can help Jamaica develop. See, the music, then try with the music and then extort the music. So the music now do it, then extort the music, right? The sport and thing now do it because if players them now go, Jamaica now look out for their athletics and their runners and them thing. That's why most young people in Jamaica, when they start running fast and go afar and go run for some university and thing. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing they can survive. So, again, Jamaicans, whether you're Christian or not, whether you smoke marijuana or not, listen, it can build our country and we're very good at it. We're good at cultivating it. We're one of the best in cultivating marijuana in Jamaica. People, we Jamaicans, we are one of the best cultivating marijuana around the world. Go and ask anywhere around the world and they will tell you. It's just one part of the island kick them down in them face. You get what I'm saying? One is Orange Hill, Grange Hill, where you call it. You get what I'm saying? And then you have one part of Senti. We got one sitting there. You get me? But Jamaica, we produce the best. And everybody know that. The governments know that. Leaders them know that. The commercial know that. The industry know that. Everybody know that. See? So we are one of the island and the growers them who know to grow one of the best. If take time out and effort and if given the chance and the opportunity to know that we can take time out to get our plants up and get it near to the right way and get it cured and everything before it go out. You see, most man in Jamaica, if you hurry them thing and rush them thing because they want to make the money, they don't want to get lost, they don't want to lose it, they don't want police and soldiers going to cut it down and then something, so them hurry it up and hurry quick dry it and whatever, so then you get to cure the thing properly and all of them thing there. You see what I'm saying? And that's because of the Jamaica government system or set up. Jamaica government system set up under one regime. Do you see? To rule the people. And that's it. It's not to be there for the people. It's not to uplift the Jamaican people. You see what I'm saying? Jamaican people, one thing can uplift we right now. I tell you no plain and straight is the marijuana industry. We need to get privilege to grow it as much as we want. Grow the strain, them try different strains, all of them something there, and build the market so we can and supply all the dispensary, them more dispensary open up on these things, cafeteria open up on these things. Let more tourists in on the island. Give more tourists the opportunity to come in on the island. You tell people them say, oh, you have the right to smoke weed. I have the right to smoke up to 2 ounces. You have up to 2 ounces per year. But where are they going to get the good one from? Where are they going to get the proper thing from? Yeah, you don't allow them to get the proper thing. So you allow them to get the little fucker weed and then something, and then little idiot weed and something there. You see what I'm saying? Trust me. Anyway, Jamaica, please, one thing me I beg you know, look to Thailand, please, and see the development of Thailand right now. And Thailand was one of them country like Dubai. If you get catch with weed at 30 years or 40 years, you see what I'm saying? With a spliff, much less we hold with our head, our ounce. You get what I'm saying? So all I'm saying, my loving people, big up on us, big up all Jamaicans. Please, government them, please people, push to the government them that we need marijuana industry to legalize in Jamaica. The rastaman them and the elders them in the hills who plant weed for over 20 or 30 odd years, 40 odd years. They need to get them rights to plant it. Allow the people them alone and make them do it, government. You see, government, big up. Hey, I don't want to go no deeper, but manners and respect to all my Jamaican people and all the people in the world who is helping to uplift Jamaica and not be a culture vulture. You see what I'm saying? Big up in a second. I don't know me already, I don't like culture vulture. You see it? Big up everyone who's standing up for Jamaica and Mutabaruka. Big up everyone who's standing up for Jamaica. You see it? And we are said to the leaders in Jamaica again, you may not smoke marijuana, but it is profitable for the country and it's not kill nobody. It not mad nobody, just people not to overuse it and all these things. You know what I'm saying? Big up on yourself. You better not have one bag of weed than have one bag of coke. That man tell you. Anyway, big up on yourself, manners and love and respect to all my loving people. Them. Thank for the like, share and subscribe. Remember, Jamaican abroad. Zit. Big up on yourself. Remember me artist, you know. Remember, you know. Hey, go check out my next song, you know. I chip them in. Do them. No culture vulture around here. Anyway, I roll me there. I looking defend the country to the fullest. You see what I'm saying? Big up yourself for our proud Jamaicans. Don't sell out. That is it. We share the love, but we not sell out. And that is it. Up.